Please note that the following content is not meant for children under 13. Hey everybody, it's SaskiaSketches, and today I'm going to be opening up not one, not two, but 3 Scrawlrboxes. Okay, so the train of thought behind this was that I wanted more of a challenge when it came to Scrawlrboxes, and I wanted to compare a couple Scrawlrboxes as well. And as you can see, Scrawlrbox has recently changed their packaging. This white one is what they used to have for a while, but now this squarish box thingy, I think it was because these didn't fit in people's mailboxes, so they tried to make it like a shape that would work a little bit better. And I think that's funny that they also decided to change the color, which I think it looks miles better than this. But I'm super excited to see what is inside. And it also looks like this one isn't shut with tape, but rather with I can't show you the bottom because my address is on there, but with a strip like this. I am super excited to see what's inside. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I kind of thought, hey, I'll unbox all 3 of these and, you know, contrast and compare the supplies that are in there and see if anything else but the packaging changed and something like that. And, you know, maybe combine all the supplies together and make some cool artwork. Okay, let's start with this one. Ooh, I see something that I'm not too overly fond of, but, oh no, oh, pastels. If there's one art supply that I just never use and never ever want to use, it's pastels, and that's because of the feel of it. I really dislike them, but I'm gonna try to make it work. I promise I'll try my best. Although this must be very expensive because there's very little supplies in the box. If this is all we got, and some paper, and here is the artwork. This is really pretty. But yeah, I never use pastels because of the feel of it, and I guess we'll get into that when I'm swatching them and stuff. But yeah, I really hate the feeling of having to rub them out with your fingers, so perhaps I'll use a brush for it. I'll try to make it work, but I really dislike this. But I'm gonna try to make it work. It's not even like gouache, where I feel like the supplies are just working against me or something, because I feel like I should like gouache. I should like gouache because it's a mix between my favorite types of paint, like acrylic and watercolors. I love both of them. So in theory, I should like gouache, which is a mix between them. But in theory, I definitely am not meant to really enjoy these, because they're the complete opposite of everything that I like to use, because they're so dry. I usually use inks and you know, alcohol-based markers and watercolors and paints and everything, and this is just not anything like that. But I'm gonna try anyway. I want to like them as well, and I'm gonna try. And even if I don't like them, that's okay too, you know, because I don't have to like every art supply. I'll give these to somebody who really does enjoy them, and yeah, maybe this will be in a giveaway or something when I hit a milestone. I'm super excited to see what's in this one though. Oh, let's see. Ooh, oh wow, oh, that's so pretty. Oh, look at that. Oh wow. Oh, I'm such a fan of this stuff. Wow. Oh, that looks fantastic. That looks fantastic. Let's see what's in here. Oh, is that a chocolate coin? Ooh, oh wow. Oh man, look at this sticker. Look at this sticker. That's gorgeous. What's the sticker in the other one? I think I missed it. Let's see if there's one in here. Oh, I think I forgot the sticker. There's no sticker. What the heck? Well, there's a sticker in this one. And oh, it's... Oh, you kidding me? Yes, let's go. Oh, I love these. What is this? Gold Dazzle? Oh, glitter. Uh-oh, it's glitter. Ooh, this is so cool. Whoa, what? I think I got duplicates. Ooh, this is cool. Got a pencil. And yes, I love these. Uniball Signo. And oh, this is a glue stick, I think. Ooh, oh, I'm so excited to use this. What the heck? This is gonna be so much fun. Oh, yes. Oh, I really like this one already so much better. Okay, let's see what's in this one. Oh man, I love that art style. Oh, look at that. Oh, that's gorgeous. What the heck? Oh, wow. This is just, oh, it's so pretty. It's gorgeous, man. Oh, wow. Wow, wow, wow. And, whoa, we got so much paper. What the heck? Oh, it's very thin, though. It's very thin. Oh, is this marker paper? Oh, yes it is! Yes it is! Oh, look at that stick. Oh, I am in love with these stickers. These new ones. Oh, I adore this. Oh, you're kidding me. Oh, are these chameleon markers? Tri-blend, Spectrum Noir. Pretty much. And they look like chameleon markers. I think they might even function the same way. And a nice pencil. And a nice fine liner. Ooh, I like this a lot. Oh wow, okay, I'm so excited to make something with this. I can't wait to see if I can, you know, what happens if I combine all of these supplies into one piece of art. I think that will be so cool. Oh, we've got an eraser as well. Oh wow, oh my gosh, I am so super excited about this. What the heck? Yes, let's go. Okay, I'm gonna organize this whole mess and yeah, let's see what we can make. So as expected, it took a lot longer to swatch all the supplies and to organize them than it normally does because, you know, it's triple the amount of supplies that takes a little bit more work, but it did give me time to really get a feel for the supplies, and I was so excited, especially by the box with the markers and the fine liners too were absolutely fantastic. I really enjoyed those. And the markers were not like chameleon markers at all, as I thought previously, but they're rather three little markers in one. So I don't know how to explain it properly, but basically they were stacked on top of each other, just three markers with exactly the right tones that you would need to blend them with. And I thought that was really interesting because it said on the packaging that they were especially developed for you know, people who want to make a seamless blend with the markers, and people who have maybe a little bit of trouble figuring out which markers to blend with each other. These ones make it so easy to just pick which ones you want, and I think that was super cool. So for the final piece, I decided to make a couple of thumbnails first, and I really wanted to draw a certain creature that you probably saw if you watched it in my last video. That was a collaboration with Type 40 Artist, and I gave him a creature to incorporate in his piece, and I thought that was a super fun character, and I wanted to draw it as well. So I first tried to do it on the paper that was provided with the pastels, but I was just I'm getting chills just thinking about it. But the texture of the paper and the texture of the Ooh, I don't like this. That's to do with my autism probably. I can't stand certain sensations, and I really really dislike this. So then I opted to try again on the piece of cardstock brown paper thingy. I don't know exactly what you would call it, but that worked a lot better with the markers as well, because I feel like it helped pull the color scheme together, even though they did dry up quite light. They dried quite lightly, and that was a little bit of a shame, but I do really like how the pastels, especially the white, how it looked on the against the brown of the paper and against the color of the paper. I really liked how that came out. So I just did a little bit of a landscape. I figured I'd just use the markers to do the bulk of the piece because I'm familiar with them, and then add accents with the pastels and with the glitter as well. And I had so much fun with that glitter, but you'll see that in a moment. I really enjoy, like I said, how these markers blend. I just love how they look, and I actually really like the color of the light pastels as well. I thought that was like very complementary to all these supplies, and I found it super fun to you know, see how they all work together, even though, you know, they're completely different supplies and are not even supposed to be in the same box. But I did find that they worked quite nicely together, and that was super fun. I did have a little bit of trouble finding contrast with just the markers alone, but I decided to fix that with the fine liners and add some line work and some blacks, and I went over with the pastels again as well. The one thing that I really disliked was that these markers just have a bullet nib, and those are not good for filling in large areas, absolutely not. And that's why I went over with the purple pastel, and I really like how that looked. I really like the feel that it gave it much more I don't know what you would call it, mythical, fantastical, I think. I really like that tree though. That's one of my favorite pieces, one of my favorite parts of the piece. And yes, I really like the texture of the grass that I gave to and to the tree as well with the brush pen. I normally don't use brush pens at all, but I did really enjoy using it here, because the only brush pens that I use are those Ecoline brush markers, but I don't really do line work with them. Or even though sometimes I do, and I really do enjoy lining more like realistic things with a brush pen. I really hate lining cartoonish things with a brush pen, because I feel like I don't have as much control as I want, even though I'll probably work on that in the future. But I really did like you know, near the end of this piece I was starting to really enjoy it and see, hey, where can I take this, and what can I do with it and everything, how can I incorporate those pastels, and I really like how it looks right now. So then I forgot I had to add the glitter, so that's what I ended up doing last minute. I think it's I don't know if it made it better or if I just added too much or too little, but here it is. Thank you so much for watching all the way to the end. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more art videos every single Friday. Have a great weekend, guys, and keep on sketching. Bye!